This lesson explains what a persuasive or argumentative paragraph is and how English learners can write one clearly and effectively. A persuasive paragraph takes a clear position on an issue. Its purpose is not just to give information, but to convince the reader to agree with the writer. A strong persuasive paragraph begins with a topic sentence that states the opinion directly. After that, the writer gives reasons and evidence that support the position. The paragraph usually ends with a sentence that reinforces the main point. One useful way to organize a persuasive paragraph is to move from the least convincing reason to the most convincing reason. This structure helps build interest and makes the final point stronger. Another effective method is to begin with the strongest argument first and then add supporting details. Both patterns can work well, as long as the paragraph stays focused on one main opinion. For example, if the issue is school uniforms, a writer might argue that uniforms should be required because they reduce peer pressure, save time in the morning, and create a sense of equality. The writer should not only list reasons, but also explain each one clearly. Evidence can include facts, examples, or logical explanations. A persuasive paragraph becomes more convincing when the reader can see exactly why the opinion is reasonable. English learners should also pay attention to signal words. Words such as first, also, because, for example, therefore, and in conclusion help connect ideas smoothly. These words guide the reader through the argument and make the paragraph easier to follow. A good persuasive paragraph is clear, organized, and supported by details. It states an opinion, explains why that opinion makes sense, and leads the reader toward agreement. With practice, learners can write paragraphs that are not only correct in English, but also strong in meaning and purpose.